Hi, this is Patricia Agnew from the Rutland City Public Schools. I'm going to show you how to take a piece of paper from your file cabinet, it could be a reading resource or an old quiz, and turn it into something editable and also readable using Texthelp tools. My first step is to head to the copier. I'll see you in a moment. I'm back from the copier and let's take a look. Here is my file. It's arrived from scans@rcpsvt.org. When I went to the copier, I scanned it and sent it to my email, and it appears here. Right now, it's just a PDF. I haven't converted it using the OCR capabilities in the copier. I find that I get a better copy if I use a product like Snapverter. So that's what we're going to do. To use Snapverter, I need to organize this to my drive, and I have to go and put it in Snapverter. This will take a moment. I saved it to my drive, and here it is. I'm going to quickly rename it because that's not a very useful file name. I'm going to right click and use rename to call it Quiz 1. Over here, I can open up my drive on the left hand side and I'll see all my folders. I'm going to go down to Snapverter, and here it is. And I have a folder in Snapverter when I drop it down called Drop Here to Convert. I'm going to take this file and drop it there to convert it. And let's see what happens. It says it's been moved. When Snapverter is finished converting a file, it appears in the finished folder, and I've clicked the down arrow and here's my finished file. I don't want to leave it there. I would move it to wherever I want someone to work with it, right at the top of my drive. And here is Quiz PDF. I'm going to double click on Quiz PDF and it's going to open using the read and write tools. There were a couple of steps I needed to take in order to get to this point with my read and write tools. I'm going to show you what they were in the next video.